you got nailed that. You nailed those blocks on there, haven't you?
Yeah.
Is that one nailed there? That one there?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like.
Through the side, 2 through the bottom before they went in,
Yeah.
and through the side.
Oh, okay.
And then it's tight. Yeah.
Yep. There's the hallway, doorway. The frame thing, right? So you have it on the granny because you're gonna put it fucking together here.
Oh,
So this is the cavity, right? You're gonna get the cavity.
Yeah.
So this is the top, and that's the bottom, because the bottom's got the feet on it, which screws into, right?
Slide down.
This thing comes out, right? And that one comes out. So what you're gonna do?
Get it out.
No, not yet. You put it, leave it until you install it.
Oh.
Alright, so bring it over here. Lay it over there.
Got it down flat.
Yeah, lay it down flat. Right, straighten it up. Right. It's, for a 20-40 door, height 20 wide, and 90mm wall. Alright, that says top. Cool. Right, so you get that bracket here. That one there.
I saw what you did there. That has to go like that. Maybe that
Yes.
way.
It goes in there like so, yes. That fits in there.
That was like, or was it the other way?
No, it's the other way around. Yep, that's the way it goes in.
Oh yeah.
You got to fit it in. Got to
we
go
go.
over that. Got to go over that joint.
And then what happens? You drill it in there.
Yeah, you got to get screws in there. Alright. So get the packet. So we have this packet, which is this stuff here. Yeah. No.
The smaller ones.
Yep, smaller ones.
These are the puppies here.
Yep. Pull them out.
So the rollers go on as well, do they?
Yep. The rollers have to go on.
Right. Okay. So how do these?
Yeah.
Why is there a roller in there?
Just pull them all out. How many is there? That's the stopper. Alright, so screw. So you got to sort out how many holes. How many
So
holes?
2, 4, 6, 8. 8.
Is that here?
Yeah. So 8 screws. So those ones.
One's in there. Yes, the other one. See? The other one on the other side. Actually, in fact, put one up there. Make sure that lines up there with that fucking space. Right, the screw on the other side. Pick this one up, which is the style sheet,
Yeah.
which has got the cut end on it. Right, so you bring that over here.
Cut in at the top, obviously.
Yeah. That cut edge goes in there. That end, that should fit in there. Right.
Okay.
Nice and tight and screw in that end there. Now,
Ooh,
what you got to do?
you gotta flush it.
From there, off that end there, to the top of the header.
21, 12, 10.
All right, 2110.
Yeah.
Bring it over here. Use this one. What do you got there?
So that's 2075 and 2110.
Is that 2110?
Yeah.
Exactly the same?
Yeah.
Alright, so what we do is we drill it. Get a couple of
Pre-drill. Into there.
So just take that away.
Oh yeah.
Drill it through. So
All the way.
yeah. Put a bit more balls on the trigger. Alright, do the same thing at the bottom there. On the other side there. Now, what you do is you put that style up, So now look at it here, it's got fuck style and it's good style. It's got a bevel on it to turn it the other way, like that. It's got a slight,
That would be the outside, yeah?
that's the inside, it's got a slight bevel. Alright,
Okay.
so it's got a nice clean look on it. Yep. There's 2 screws there. Alright, and that's got to be flush with the end there, like that. So you hold it, just hold your hand back a bit further. That's it. Yep, so just stand it up. Right. Keep it together. Right, walk it into the cavity. Don't bend that style, keep that style straight, square. Bend it over. Oh, lost it. Start. Fuck. What? Just put it underneath that end there. It's going to come up higher. Keep going on a bit more. Push on this more. Right, straighten that up with the wall. Straighten that up with the wall. Straighten it up with the wall. Push it together so it lines up with the wall. That's it. That's better. Look in there.
What's to come up this end?
A little bit?
Yeah.
Alright, that's cool. So what you're going to do now, you're going to fix it with your fixing gun into that fucking knob. There you go. Alright, now come up to the top, line it up, top up there. Make sure it's flush with the frame. Go on the angle, on the corner. Yeah, like that. Bring it into me a bit more. That's
Will you be able to bring it in?
Yeah, that's it. Just touch in there. Now we're just packing it in, just a hole in the spot. Yep. Alright, then we'll come back and screw it off. Now grab your level. Make sure this is fucking big ass level. Make sure that end there's plumb. Pretty close. So you got that plumb there?
Yeah.
Alright, okay. So what would you? So just check that height. It should be fucking straight.
I think we're going to try a new segment.
Let's go. Not bad.
Not bad. Good
Needs to
enough.
come up a bit.
Alright, that's alright.
If we pack it out about 3 mil down here, it will do it.
Alright, so what you're going to do is we're going to tack it over here at the top first. So get your 10 mil, get your fixing gun. Alright, get your 10 mil spacer. That's this. Yep. On that corner there, push the jam out so it lines up and just put one on it. Not in the middle, on the side. Yeah, well, that's it. Alright. You go down the bottom. Do the same thing down the bottom. Push that in. 10 mil in. Allow for plaster.
On the side?
Yep. Just come in a little bit more. Come in with a nail gun. Yep. Yep. Fucking pop that. Righto. Now just check that with a level. Just to make sure that that's all fucking level both ways. Yep. Yeah, we'll sort that out.
So it needs to
Come out the bottom.
Yeah.
Cool. What about that way on the edge?
towards us at the bottom.
All right, just tap it with your hammer. So what you do is you put a screw in the bottom of that.
Yeah.
Is it a small screw? See that line? Is that blue line up there? Just line up
there.
with that. Yep.
Right there.
Alright. So you screw this one off.
Is that still?
No, into the black. Into that black one down there. The
Oh,
black, yeah.
into there?
Yep.
Into the floor?
Yep.
Oh.
Screw that in.
Is that hole?
Yeah, that holds it. Just screw it down. That's it. There's a new. There's another one there. Just make sure that line up with that blue line there.
Yeah.
Beautiful. All right, stick another one right at that end there. That mounts, that holds the frame in. Righto. Not too bad.
was better before we hit it.
Yeah, but you gotta lift this up here.
Oh.
Get that, yeah, get that little lap.
Oh yeah.
So that's straight. So that makes it straight with that wall.
Okay.
Alright. Now what are you gonna do? See the feel that?
Pretty solid.
Yeah, see how it feels solid there?
I do.
And we haven't finished fucking fixing it off. Now, haven't finished with that yet, bro. Just put it up here and put it here to double check that.
Pretty good that way.
Pretty good.
Yep.
And what about the edge blow?
What does it need to do?
You're gonna come in or out the top?
In at the top.
Into the top. How much?
Well, about 4 or 5 mil.
You're gonna put one of them. You're gonna put one in there and another one there.
So those two?
Yeah.
Yep.
And then there's one hole there,
Yeah.
and should be another one there. Alright. And what that does is screws the track to the head, because that's where it's all the weight, and that stops the sideways movement like that. That locks that in. There you go. Right,
Oh, that's almost level. Oh, that's fucking yes.
bang on.
Yes.
All right. So what's this gap between behind it?
There.
Yeah, the pack. You have to put packers in there. Another packer.
Yeah.
All right. Put another packer in there.
Yeah.
All right. So get your packet. There's two. Here's another wedge. Yeah. Here's another one. All right. Put one on one side, one on the other. That's it. One on the other side. To do the opposite to it. Now you hit him evenly until the pulls it out. That's it. Right, check your plumbness.
So
Do it again. Off the bottom
Yeah.
to the middle of the handle.
Oh, middle of the handle is 1020.
Right, so mark that over here, 1020.
But that's a different height because of the water.
I don't worry about that too much, as long as it's in reason. 10, 20. Mark it on that side. Big ass mark across there. Right, so what happens when we put the handle on here, that's where we're going to hit. So we don't want any nails there. We want nails here, nails there.
Okay.
Right, so what you're going to do now is you're going to get your gun, you're going to put your chisel in it like that, just put a little bit of pressure just to keep it out a little bit. Right, don't shoot your chisel, you shoot it there, 2 nails, another one. Right, come up here, hold it there with your chisel, and shoot it there. That's it. And go up doing that. Right, they go down. Don't want to put too many nails in, so just put another row in just about there somewhere. Righto, so grab the straight edge. Alright, that way we don't have to pack the shit out of it. Straight?
Yeah.
Now all you're going to do now is
So is that one?
alright, so just put it on there again.
Fuck yeah.
Is that fucking pretty?
Yeah. Have a look.
No, the other way. That edge way. So what's that look like now?
Well, it could move over
It might be you just
one mil.
tap it in. If you have to tap it in to get it straight, tap it in. You don't want to see any you don't want to see any daylight there. Run the light down there again.
Yeah. Just down there.
Yeah, okay, run it up. And that's where you want it straight. You don't see any fucking. Yep.
That's pretty quick.
Yeah. Yep. Same as that next one.
Mass will be held tonight at St. Patrick's Cathedral.
That's it. That's what it takes. All right. That's how it's done.
Is that it?
Yep.
You're kidding.
Yep. That's how it's fitted.
193,000 tonnes of soft plastic that have been earmarked for recycling have now been located across the state. The US military is continuing to track a Chinese spy balloon which has been spotted above the
Spy balloon.
Yeah. All right. Isn't it just in case?